Good morning all. In today's class of business studies, I will discuss a new topic, scientific techniques of management by F.W. Taylor. I have already discussed scientific principles of management by F.W. Taylor. Here are some techniques, scientific techniques of management by Taylor. Just remember the names: functional foremanship, standardization and simplification of work. Third, work study. It consists of fatigue study, method study, time study, motion study. Fourth, differential piece wage system. And the last, mental revolution. Just remember the rules. Okay, Taylor has given 4 principles and 5 techniques. And work study consists again 4 techniques. Just remember the names. So here I will discuss first technique, functional foremanship. So you must know what is function. Function is any work that is done in department, in organization. Foreman means a person. He or she is a worker. Similarly, he or she is in charge of department. We can also say foreman is a worker at the supervisory level. He or she is a supervisor of different departments. So here it is written about functional foremanship. In this technique, Taylor suggested the division of factory in 2 departments, planning department and production department. As Taylor felt that workers must be free from the burden of planning and they must concentrate on work and production. So in this technique, Taylor divided work in 2 departments, planning department and production department. Planning department means management must do planning and workers must do only production. So by this technique, Taylor suggested that workers must be free from the burden of planning and they must concentrate on production. To develop specialization in productivity means a ratio between output and input. So we can write productivity in bracket output divided by input. Taylor suggested under each department there must be some functional experts. Okay. So by this technique, Taylor suggested to have functional experts, means supervisor in every department to supervise, guide and instruct the workers. As one foreman cannot be expert in every aspect or area, aspect means area of work, so Taylor suggested or stressed on minimum 8 specialists. Okay, Taylor told about 8 specialists or supervisor or foreman or functional expertise to supervise and give orders to workers. Supervise, as we know, he or she is at the lower level to handle the workers, to give them instruction, to guidance, or to give them guidance and supervise their work. Each boss will be specialized in one aspect. Okay, means every department will have one supervisor and that supervisor will be specialized in his or her area of work. Aspect means area, and while observing and instructing the workers there will be definitely specialization. So this technique is the extension of principle of division of labor. Yes, as division of labor principle was given by Henry Froehlich, so this technique, functional foremanship, is the extension of that principle, division of labor, given by Henry Froehlich. Taylor said foremen must be intelligent, educated, energetic, honest, specialized or professional expert. Here it is written productivity is equal to output divided by input. All these qualities cannot be found in one person. Yes, everyone cannot be intelligent, educated, energetic, honest, everything. So we must have different kind of specialists for every department. So all these qualities cannot be found in one person. So Taylor stressed on having minimum 8. Just note down how many experts are needed. 8 experts, 400 each department, as Taylor divided the work of company into 2 departments, planning department and planning department and production department. So there are total 8 experts, so it means 400 each department. Okay? So each department will have 4, total 2 departments will have 8 experts. So 400 each department to order and guide the workers. The 8 functional experts suggested by Taylor are, just remember the names, 4 experts or foremen under both the departments. So under planning department there are 4 experts. Similarly, under operational department or production means operational or operation means production, these are same. So there are 4 experts again in operational or production department. These are under planning department. The experts are route clerk, instruction card clerk, time and cost clerk, disciplinarian. And under operational department, gang boss, speed boss, repair boss, inspector. There is no need to learn the full description about the experts, just remember the name. Planning department, and just understand the meaning. Planning department has route clerk. Route clerk, its name suggests, route clerks means a person or foreman or supervisor who tells the way of how to work. Route means who tells a route or way. Instruction card clerk, who gives instruction to do a particular job. That supervisor or expert is called instruction card clerk. Third, time and cost clerk. The expert or foreman or supervisor who tells about how to save time and cost in a particular work is called time and cost clerk. Next, fourth, last in the planning department, a supervisor or expert or foreman who maintains discipline in organization is called disciplinarian. Okay, so these are 4 experts under planning department. Let's see next 4 experts under operational or department or production department. Gang boss. Gang boss means he or she is the collection of, he or she does many works, collection of many things. Gang, as we know, gang is the collection of many members, so gang boss is that person who handles multiple tasks, that's called gang boss. Speed boss, he or she is that expert or foreman or supervisor who tries to complete the work on time, speedily. Okay, speed boss means who tries to achieve the targets and complete the work on time. Repair boss, who is that foreman or that boss or expert who tries to repair the thing, who tries to maintain the things, is called repair boss. And the last, inspector, its name suggests the foreman or expert or boss or supervisor who inspects organization to check whether the work or workers are working properly, that's called inspector. So this is all about functional foremanship. Next 4 techniques are remaining that I will discuss in next videos. Okay, thank you for listening for today.